Mas kwa kanyo to koro wadachomo piny mar Ethiopia Addis Ababa kuma Seth Olale nitiere mondo mi onyiswa ni weche mage mosebedo katimore kanyo. Kweth mar jood bura mathoth osechopo kanyo. Winjore ni Seth Olale wacho nang'o kanyo. Seth Olale oimore wuor mama, neno ka intiere piny mar Addis Ababa kanyo, ano ka chapni be pod nitiere ng'eyi kanyo. Gino ni winja maler. Ang'o manyien kawuono?
Trevor Mbija winji to kikipenja mangen lakini Trevor sanito warito Raila Amolo Odinga mondo ochop Addis Ababa Ethiopia kai lakini apart from that one Trevor earlier on we had a meeting with an inter-ministerial meeting that brought together the Executive Council of the Africa Union. This was just days event that usually the heads of state summit here African Union. What came out from that 6 commissioners are going to be elected. So this is part of the commission that Odinga, Richard Man from Madagascar, and Mohamed Ali Yusuf from to head. So the commissioners, as part of this particular commission, will be elected the 49 representatives of the African countries that have sent the through their foreign affairs ministers. Now, after that particular election tomorrow, it's game on for Saturday, where the heads of state summit, about 35 presidents and other representatives, are talking about prime ministers and and other designated and appointed head of governments will be casting their votes secretly to vote who will replace the outgoing chairperson, Musa Faki, who addressed the Executive Council of Ministers, Africa Union, here in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Koro mano timoreka Trevor Mbija to session no. It was well attended by Kenyan representative there in that particular session, who was the Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi. Mbija.
Sete no kama na winjo ke gino wakika twadhi mbele wachacha kizungu Kiswahili dholuo gite lakini kavuka wei monde dheo. Gini ode chakore saa dingeso ten
one multilingual.
Mana dir. To ombulu ni dhi goye nango jaduo. Ngen secret ballot koso yo. To dhi chakore saa dingeso. Seto mbulu ni dhi go nango en secret ballot koso to dhi chakore saa dingeso. Mano Seth Olale hapa ni koro chali ko winjwa maler lakini wabro kode mpaka kendo bange wadhi yiero moro machuok mana kaka wacho one multilingual but obro bedo kana Addis Ababa kanyo Ethiopia nyaka ching ma mbulu mar jakom mar UC ogo